Hello guys, this is Mohith and welcome to my YouTube channel. So from many days you people are asking me to do a color grading tutorial, so here I am. So today I'm gonna teach how to get this popular orange and teal color grade. So I already have my picture imported, but for those who don't know how to import picture, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Okay, and a pop-up window opens up like this. Now what you do is select a folder, select the picture you want to edit and press import. Okay, and after you press import, your pictures will be displayed in library. Okay, now what you do is go to develop. So before you start color grading, make some basic adjustment. Go to basic and just play with the shadows, highlights a little bit. So in my case, I'm not making any changes because I have my picture well exposed. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to calibration. Okay, so basically an image is made up of three main colors: red, green and blue, RGB. In this case what we want is just two color tones. We want a teal and an orange look, but in this picture we have greens, yellows, magenta, blue and purple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tweak all the colors to match teal and orange. So how are we gonna do it? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all yellows, reds and magentas to orange and tweak all purple, blue and cyan to teal. So first what we'll do is we'll move the greens. Okay, we don't want any green in this picture, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the green more towards positive. So if you move the hue of green towards positive, it is cyan. If you move the green hue towards negative, then it is yellow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move it towards cyan. Okay, now the picture is a little bit dull, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just increase the saturation a little bit. Okay, now I know this is not cyan, but yeah, we are getting there. So now what we'll do is we'll move the blues more towards teal. Okay, because we have the purple on the pant, we have other blues which we don't want. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move it towards teal. Okay, now here we go, we have the teal look, but the picture looks more saturated. So what we do is we get the saturation down a little bit somewhere over here. Okay, now it looks fine, but we don't have the oranges yet. So what we do, we tweak the red. Okay, if you move the red hue towards negative, it goes to pink or more magenta-ish, but if you move towards positive, it becomes orange. So we have the orange here, but now as you can see, it is a little bit more saturated. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just get the saturation down over here, and I'm gonna increase the saturation of blues a little bit because the image is looking dull. So here we have orange and teal look. So let's watch the before and after of this. So here you go, this is before and this is after. So guys, this is how you do teal and orange look. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and drop down your suggestions and opinions in the comment box below. And also don't forget to follow me in other social media platforms like Instagram. The link is in the description, and you can also find my handle over here. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can click here to subscribe to my channel and also watch my other videos which are maybe here.